Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically match cut with the audio beat on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application and then I'm going to click on this plus icon to create new post, and then we're going to add sound. Go to the add sound option right here and choose the sound you want to use for your TikTok. For example, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, I'm going to add it to my video, and I'm going to select some photos from my gallery. I'm just going to pick a random photo like this, and then we can click on auto cut. Okay, and the auto sync or the auto cut will be activated. Then you can also change the template if you want. I'm gonna go with this one guys, and we can click on save. Okay, and after that you can click on next. Then you can click on post to post your editing on TikTok. Alright guys, and that's all the way to automatically match cut with the audio beat on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.